Today reaction video that we doing today is called, I said today 2 times. I know I did, but we doing it today just so you don't know. If you watching this another day, then we doing it today. Just saying, you know, but now all jokes aside, man, today's video we got is called Homie Stretched. And when I say stretched, I'm talking like, you know, like what you do before a workout. Let me just say that, you know how YouTube be tweaking. Yeah, we working out YouTube and Twitch. We were just doing, you know, stretches, you know, like working out the biceps, the triceps, you know what I'm saying? Abs. Like, you know, but homie stretched his back. He stretched his best friend out for trying to backdoor him. That's the title. He stretched his back door out. You see, I'm already tweaking. He stretched his best friend out for trying to backdoor him. And a lot of y'all that don't know what backdoor is, basically his homie tried to snake him out. You know, and I know I probably got like a little older y'all this. They be like, what's a backdoor? What is a back door? You know, they be trying, I be tweaking sometimes. I be reading some of them comments, some of the questions y'all be asking. What is an op? Bro, hey, if you don't know what an op is, bro, I ain't gonna lie, you don't need to be on YouTube, bro. I ain't gonna, nah, but all jokes aside, homie was trying to backdoor him, was basically he trying to stake him out. That was his people's, supposedly, and I guess things went left. You know what I'm saying? But we're finna go in and react to this video right now. And I guess this was uploaded to Facebook Live. So you know how people love to just upload stuff on social media and to kind of go viral, if you get what I'm saying, you know. But yeah, so we're gonna get to this right now, man. Make sure if y'all boys enjoyed this reaction video that you smash the like button, comment, and subscribe for your boy, man. Remember, the more likes that this video get, the higher that it will rank. So let's go to get this video to #1, man. Let's get it. Let's go.
Them dice, bro. You just tried to, bro. Look, he's right here, bro. I blow that away. Who you with? My brother. Look, this stretch. Y'all come play with Marco on this street right here, boy. On Jesus Christ. I ain't with none of that. I think I'm from the 80s. Yeah.
He from 63rd. Would they say 63rd? Hold on. You from 63rd, man?
I think I'm from the 80s. Yeah. On my mama, I'm at this.
My God. Hold on. Let me rewind that. I'm sorry, yeah, I'm a little.
Them dice, bro. Bro.
Oh, he got Buddy laid out. You know, he got Buddy laid out. He got him laid out.
Right here, unfortunately. Bro. I blow that away.
Trying to backdoor him.
My brother. Look.
Trying to.
Stretch. Y'all come play with Marco on this street right here, boy. On Jesus Christ. I ain't with none of that.
He had the pump.
I think I'm from the 80s.
Say 43rd. Okay.
Yeah. On my mama, I'm at this up. On my soul, ain't finesse the J. What the price was, 20 bands. That ain't enough for me. I'm in South Avenue. Hey, run up. Let me show you stretched out. Call the police. I'm at home. I had to snake me while I'm shooting dice. I had to lay him out. My right hand man.
Oh my God.
I ain't going.
Bro.
Yeah, I've been playing all these snakes.
God, G.
My folks' house right here. I'm out here with these. Tried to get the signal to take me off, bro. This is the finesse guy you're talking to, boy. Yeah. Long live the whole ABM gang.
2 of them, bro. So Buddy must got like Juggernaut or Perk Cola or something like that, bro. Cause there ain't no way he took out 2 guys. 2 of them at once, bro. I thought it was 1 person. First he sold somebody in the street. Now he's showing he laid out a buddy that was on the stairs. I guess they was shooting dice. How?
Rest in peace, Sam. On my mama. Come on my block. I'ma rock your on my mama. Yeah. I'm on that. Instead of push. I'm on that. On my mama. Yeah. I'm on that. Instead of rock your on my mama. Yeah. Yeah. Long live the whole ABM gang. Rest in peace, Sam. On my mama. Come on my block. I'ma rock your on my mama. Yeah. I'm on that. Instead of who looking for me. I'm in South Avenue. What a chop in. On my mama, they over there stretched out. Scratched them. Call the pole.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. This probably like how to get put in jail for defending yourself one-on-one right here. I would say a lot of the times why this could have been justified, but this could have went wrong as well. First, you got Buddy on live bragging about what he did. You know, granted, he said what he did. He let him know, like, you know what, like, Buddy tried to backdoor me, so I had to do him. He got their face all in the camera. And it's just something that the judge will probably see. You know, as me, if I was a judge, I would look at how he went about a situation after he defended himself, supposedly. You know, and if you supposedly, let's say, got him on camera and it sounded like he just fired another shot just throughout the video. I don't know if he fired one in the air or whatever it was, and it just shows that it was some type of gang violence involved, you know. But I wish jail on nobody. I'm gonna just say that. I'm gonna start off by saying I wish jail on nobody, but it's going to be pretty hard for him to defend himself after this. 100%. It's going to be hard for him to defend himself, and I'm gonna tell you why. Bro, he went live afterwards, just raging. Just rage. You don't know what could happen. He could have felt like that they was finna backdoor him and still just, you know, got him out. You know, but instead of you just, you know, calling whoever, like he told them in the video, call the police, because I just stretched him out. Like he was pissed. I ain't gonna lie, he was mad, bro. You know, but something like this could be pretty iffy evidence in court, I say. This could be pretty iffy evidence to where, like, he can get, depending on how the surveillance looks, he can get away. You know what I'm saying? And if the surveillance doesn't look too good, he's probably going to get two counts of I ain't gonna say first degree. He's probably going to get like second degree or third degree, and he's probably going to get or he possibly could get manslaughter. You know, just because he defended himself, yeah, but did both of them need to get popped like that is a thing. Did he defend himself from two people, or did he just defend himself from one and got the other one because he thought what could have happened? Because if this dude didn't have no weapon, if he just signaled him to do something and he got him up out of here, like if we sitting in the dice game and you do like this signal, then you get blued off. 100%. I'm gonna tell you this right now. They're not finna defend him. They're not finna call that just a justified. If you get what I'm saying. I'm trying not to say the words. That's why I'm saying words around it, because I know YouTube could be tweaking a lot of the times, you know, but they're not going to justify that because that man was unarmed. You know, now it looked like there was a poll by the other guy that he saw that, you know, I thought he's finna zoom in on him again. It was a poll by the other guy that he saw. And it seemed like that he possibly tried to run or something like that, you know, so he got him up out of here too, if you get what I'm saying. You know, so like I said, this video could go both ways, you know. It just all depends on, you know, how he went about it, you know. And I'm not sure what city this was in. It's probably in Milwaukee, but I would love to know, like, what happened after this, you know. Yeah, I don't think they got nothing else. I'm trying to look, but I don't think, yeah, they don't got nothing on here. Yeah, they don't got nothing on here, but I still don't see why people went to live, bro. I couldn't imagine me trying to defend myself, and the first thing I did was get on Facebook Live and record some people that I done just basically took out this earth, bro. He gonna need some therapy 100% because he took out two people at once. So he's definitely gonna need some type of therapy. But the fact that, like, bro, you went live afterwards is just crazy. Social media can be a drug, bro. Like, just imagine that this live could have been the stretch between his freedom and him getting jail time. You know what I'm saying? If now this is potentially used as evidence in court, you know, and if they want to try to get him as like as him victimizing, or him trying to victimize himself, as far as what he did with the guy that was on the you know, on the stairs or whatever, if he didn't have no weapon or nothing like that, then he's probably going to get manslaughter for that. 100%. He probably is. You know, and that's just me letting y'all know of just how situations can happen. You know, if he felt like his life was in danger, then he could defend himself. But him to completely take the guy about the earth, you know, it all depends on what state he in. You know, a lot of states is, you know, stand your own ground, you know. But hey, I don't know. Y'all let me know y'all honest thoughts and opinions down below. How do y'all feel about this entire situation, man? I honestly do hope that Buddy was able to get some type of, you know, justification as far as like just, I hope he didn't get any jail time. I said I pray that he didn't get any jail time, man, but I do hope that he learned a lesson from trying to record after he just defended himself. You know, I hope that his lawyer told him that that's not something that you should ever do from here moving on out, is record yourself not committing a crime, but in a crime situation. You know, even if you're defending yourself from a crime or whatever it is, like don't record yourself. Let the cameras do itself. Let the cameras around do the talking, you know, because you can make situations worse, especially when you go on social media and try to go viral from, you know. But I'm glad that dude was able to defend himself and then get took out for 20K, like he said. But like I told y'all boys, let me know y'all honest thoughts and your opinions down below, man. Make sure if y'all enjoyed this reaction video that you smash the like button, comment, and subscribe for your boy, man. And let's get it, let's go. Ski, yeah.